Hello everyone. Today we are going to see what are smart lists inside GoHighLevel and how we can create them and how we can use the smart lists within GoHighLevel. So basically, smart lists are powerful tools that helps you to organize your contacts, organize your leads automatically using the filters that we will set up in this video, and it will help you to focus and follow up the right people, which will definitely save a lot of your time. Now, first of all, let's talk about what and where the smart lists are. So if you go to the contacts, then here you will notice a tab called smart lists. Now by default, it will show you all the contacts that comes to this system, but you can customize it to show you only the contacts that you want in this section, like all the leads from a specific city or some particular state or a company and so on. Right now, some of these contacts are from New York and some of these contacts are from Arizona, but we can't figure out which of the contacts are from New York and which of the contacts are from Arizona. So we can create the smart list for separating New York contacts and Arizona contacts in the form of smart list. For that, I will click on filters, then go to state, because we want to make the smart list based on the state of the leads. And here I will type in Arizona and hit apply button. Now here you can see GoHighLevel has filtered out all the leads that are from Arizona. Now to make the smart list of these filtered contacts, click on Save as Smart List button. And now you can name it Arizona and hit Save button. Now here you can see a smart list has been created with the name Arizona. Now we're gonna make a smart list for our New York contact leads. So I will go to more filters and here type in state and then type in New York and then we will hit apply button. Now you can see our New York contacts are filtered out. So you will click on Save as Smart List button and we can name it New York and hit Save button. Now you can see another smart list has been created with the name New York, right? So these are all of the contacts without any filter. Then these are the contacts that are just from Arizona. Next, these are the contacts that are just from New York. So you can make the smart list based on all of these filters like company name, city name, name of state, and so on. You can also export these smart lists. Let's say we want to export the New York smart list. So simply click on this export button. And then your smart list will be downloaded that you can use to analyze the data, or you can share it with your team and then you can make the strategies accordingly. And that's how you create and use the smart list in GoHighLevel. With just a few clicks, you can organize your contacts based on the filters that you will choose, which will make it easier to manage your leads and focus on what's important for you. But if you have any queries about smart list or GoHighLevel, then you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.